Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars, and today we're going to show you the most beautiful BMW 5 Series we have for sale. This is a 2017 on a 67 plate. It's a 530D M Sport automatic touring with a lot of extras on it. Now, I'm going to go through the extras as we go around the car, but no doubt I'll miss things, so please do read the list on the website because everything is accurately listed that this car has on it. It's finished in Mediterranean blue metallic and it's got Dakota black leather. It was originally a demonstrator, followed by one private owner, and we took the car in as a part exchange. So let's have a look around. While I think about it, we'll look at the front of the car here. This has got the active LED headlights, which are absolutely fantastic. I've tried these at night and the pool of light is absolutely incredible. It's lovely. It's also got the daytime running lights, LED daytime running lights as well. The car is beautiful. It's done 19,800 miles from new. We have everything with it. We've got it's had a service done. We've got 2 sets of keys, all the bits and pieces we should. Now, looking at these wheels while we're on here as well, these are the 20-inch BMW optional alloys. Lovely because they've got grey on the insides and silver on the outside. They're all in tip-top condition. They're an individual spec, these. So, moving around the back here, obviously rear parking sensors and front parking sensors. On the display here, we're just showing you the parking sensor display. That's the front parking sensors, and then the same thing when you're reversing as well, so it comes up with blocks to show you how close you are front and rear. So these are the keys to the car, these nice M Sport badges on the side, and what we can do with this, looking at the back of the car, we can remotely open the tailgate on the car. So I'll push the button and that opens it up. The little button to shut the tailgate down again. And that electrically pulls the blind up and down inside as well, so it gives you better access in the back. Two options with opening the boot. We can either just open the rear glass as such and the blind goes back, so that gives you access into the back there. That's a manual operation, so that has to be done manually, or alternatively under here there's a little switch under there. Just push that and that opens the whole of the tailgate. And as you can see, the blind goes up to give you better access. Loads of space in the back here. All the room in the world. Split folding seats as you'd expect in here as well. And down under here we've got the first aid kit, tool kit, locking wheel nut, all that sort of thing in there as well. Seats down so you can see the massive amount of space here. Virtually a flat floor, which is great, and not a lot of intrusion from the side either. So looking down the side of the car, it's in beautiful condition. There's no scratches, no scrapes, no dents. Lovely, lovely condition. So looking in the back here, so you can see black Dakota leather with the light coloured stitching. And the seats fold very easily. We've got little electric switches up here. Okay, so looking inside the front here, we've got, as I think about it, we've got electric memory seats, which is an option. We've also got heated seats, folding mirrors. We've got the Harman Kardon sound system in here. Most importantly, we've got the panoramic sunroof. This is lovely. Okay, so we've got the electric sunroof in this, double panoramic roof, which is lovely with the blind, so you can electrically bring the blind across. This will come all the way forwards if you want to, and just cuts out the glare from the roof, although it is tinted. And also you can either tilt the sunroof like so, up and down, and also slide it back. Now you can stop it wherever you like, but I'll just let it go back, and then you've got a little air dam that comes up here as well to stop buffeting inside the car. Okay. Right, so looking at the steering wheel here, it's got this lovely leather-bound steering wheel, nice thick one to grab hold of, sporty steering with the wheel with the controls on there as well, for all the various operations. You've also got the paddles on here, so if you want to use the gearbox in manual mode, you can up and down with the paddles. And this is also electrically controlled as well, so you've got up and down and in and out electric controls as well, and that's hooked up to the memory, so whenever you set the memory up, the steering column adjusts also. Okay, it's got this lovely display here, big screen at the top which has got all the navigation and everything else in it, and then coming down you've got the climate control further down, heated seat switches, and then back along you've got the drive control, which is your normal automatic control. Okay, so I've just brought up the service history here. As you can see, it's had 2 services done. The first one was the delivery service at 7 miles. That was in 2017, and then it's had another one done 7th of June this year, 2019, and that was done at 16,765.
I'm going to use the voice control on the BMW 530D. So you press the button, which is down here for voice control, on the steering wheel. And
please try again.
Please drive to Simon Shield Cars, Great Brycett.
Simon Shield Cars Limited was selected. Route guidance has been started.
Find me a filling station nearby.
Pace Ipswich, Lower Road. Say yes, or select another entry from the list.
3.
Esso Star Market, Ipswich Road was selected. Say start route guidance, or add as intermediate destination.
Add as intermediate destination.
Intermediate destination added. Route guidance has been started.
Right, we're going to show you what happens when you change the driving modes for this. As it's set up at the moment, this is the comfort mode, so you can see what you've got on the screen there. Now if I change this to the sport mode, if you come across to this screen first, because you'll see what happens here, you can also individualize this even more, so it's showing you now it's in sport mode. Now if you look back across onto the screen here, that's changed the profile there, and then the same thing again if I put it into Eco Pro, it changes the screen profile as well, which is more relevant to the driving mode. So let's show you under the bonnet of the car. There we have the most glorious engine. This is a 6-cylinder, twin turbo power, 260 odd brake horsepower, loads of performance. It's still very good on fuel consumption. This will return around about 40 miles to the gallon, and it will still only cost you £145 a year for road tax. So it makes a lot of sense. Loads of torque, loads of go, but good performance and good economy as well. So great combination, this car. Okay, so let's just run through that again. This is a 2017 67 plate 530D M Sport Touring with loads of extras. As I said before, please read through the spec list on this car because I've missed things that we've been going around, I'm sure. 19,800 miles from new, BMW service, BMW warranty, 2 keys with it, everything with the car, and in tip-top condition. A really lovely, lovely car, this. Any more information, please give us a call. Simon Shield Cars, Simon Shield here. It's 01473 658 091. Or alternatively, hop on the website for all the details, all the photographs. I think we've got about 50 photographs of this car, and I've photographed everything. That is simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching.